Looking to take control of your destiny and influence those around you? Today is your chance to learn how to use body language to create the power dynamic you desire. Did you know that a woman can use body language to boost authority and build trust? In this video, we'll show you how to subtly mirror your companion's poses and maintain an open posture to influence how people perceive you. Don't wait any longer to make an impact. Take control of your destiny and master the art of body language now. Maintain good posture. Ladies, did you know that standing up straight can make you remarkable? An erect posture communicates confidence and security like nothing else, while slouching or hunching can convey insecurity. So keep your head and spine in a straight line to appear taller and more in control. Additionally, you can adopt a good posture by rolling back your shoulders, tilting your chin slightly upwards, and balancing your weight evenly on both feet. Practicing good posture all the time can increase your chances of making an excellent first impression. Conveying your enthusiasm and competency in a job interview, it's important to own your own confidence, not just pretend to have it. Take a deep breath and be mindful of your posture, correcting it whenever you notice yourself slouching. Focus on making good posture a priority in your daily life now. Seductive movements. Ladies, it's no secret men are attracted to women with a confident gait. One way to achieve this is through the subtle swaying motion of a hip swing. While it may come naturally to some women, others may need to practice to achieve the desired effect. When done right, the hip swing can have serious psychological effects and be a powerful way to grab attention and show your sensuality. To achieve this, imagine a straight line in front of you and take slightly shorter steps, placing your feet as close to the line as possible while walking to move your hips from side to side. Slowing down your gait and adding a bit of sass to your walk will make you look like a powerful, seductive woman, which adds to the attraction factor. Remember, high-quality men look for feminine traits in their partners. So incorporating seductive movements like slow and deliberate gestures, playing with jewelry or accessories, or giving meaningful glances can also make you appear more attractive. It's important to note that you don't have to wear revealing clothing or have overtly sexual body language to captivate someone's attention. By mastering subtle seductive movements, you can grab anyone's attention and exude confidence and sensuality. Using the power of eye contact. Ladies, if you want to transmit confidence and authority, making eye contact is an essential tool. When you lock eyes with someone, it shows you are up for the challenge and in control. Eye contact can also build trust and create a connection, making people feel valued when you talk to them. Unfortunately, many people avoid eye contact for fear of appearing too strong or intimidating. Don't let that stop you from making a lasting impression. Maintaining direct eye contact between 30 and 60% of the time during a conversation, while spending less time on hearing than talking, shows that you are listening and helps establish a strong connection with the other person. To appear approachable, practice smiling with your eyes. Smile normally into a mirror, then maintain the light shine while lowering your smile. It may feel awkward at first, but with enough practice, you can make it a natural part of your everyday life. Speak clearly. Ladies, the way you speak has a huge impact on how people perceive you. If you want to appear powerful and in control, speak clearly and concisely. Avoid being timid and speaking in a low voice. Instead, let your voice be heard. Speak loudly enough for people to understand you without straining their ears. Take your time and speak slowly and occasionally pause to emphasize certain points. Additionally, avoid using filler words like and as they can make you appear unconfident and unsure. With practice, you can become a more effective speaker and project your confidence to the world. Smile. Ladies, a smile is one of the most powerful weapons in your arsenal. It not only makes you more attractive and approachable, but it also exudes confidence and poise. Smiling helps break the ice in awkward situations, creating a relaxed atmosphere. Studies have shown that just seeing someone else smile is enough to cause a similar expression on the other person's face. So don't be afraid to show off your beautiful smile. It can make all the difference in making a good impression. Own any room when entering it. Have you ever wondered how some women seem to command attention when they enter a room? Here's a trick to ensure you are that woman the next time you enter a space. As you walk in, pause for a moment inside the doors. With a neutral expression, slowly scan every person's face, as if you are looking for someone in particular, even if you don't know anyone in the room. Once you've made eye contact, pick someone who stood out to you or someone you know and smile slowly, then walk towards them. Using the tips we've discussed previously, head high, back straight, and a slow hip swing. This will increase your mysterious and confident allure and ensure all eyes are on you the entire time you are in the room. By mastering the art of body language, you gain control of your destiny and influence those around you. By following the tips in this video, such as maintaining good posture, making eye contact, and using seductive movements, you can exude confidence and build trust in any situation. Don't forget that practice makes perfect. So start incorporating these steps into your daily routine and watch as your power dynamic shifts in your favor.